Hey guys, welcome to a new video on NailPossible. Today I have a mini haul from Born Pretty store, and I'd received these products a while ago, but I was not able to share them with you because I broke my camera. This time I received some stamping plates, and I did receive them in time for Christmas, but I wasn't able to record anything. But anyway, I got 2 Christmas plates and 2 from the regular lines. So let's start with the holiday ones. This first plate is Christmas L005. So let's test a few of these images to see how they stamp. Let's remove the blue film. And let's start with these snowflakes here, and even though they're kind of small, they come out very crisp. Let's try some of these super tiny images here, and they also come out super clear. And how about this tree? Sometimes images like this are harder to pick up because there's a lot of polished surface, but it also stamps really nice and clear, even the tiny stars around the tree. Let's move on to the next plate. This is Christmas L002, another plate with a bunch of tiny images. Let's start with this bear on the corner here, and I always have problems with corner images on Born Pretty store plates because the corners are very round and I have a hard time scraping correctly, which sometimes causes my image to come out wrong on that side. But not to worry, an easy fix for that is just to scrape towards the edge of the plate. And the image comes out a lot better. There's still a little bit of polish left over, but that's easily removable with tape if necessary. Let's try another image. These trees, for example, which are almost the reason I got this plate, and they come out beautiful. Let's test one more image, and it comes out perfect. Okay, now for the non-holiday plates. The first one is this Tropical Punch 002 with, well, tropical images. And just at first glance, I don't know if it crossed anyone's mind, but I immediately thought it looked a lot like the Tropical 23 plate from Moyu London. It's obviously not exactly the same, especially because this one has these full nail images, but you can definitely recreate some manis made with the Tropical 23 plate using this plate. The individual images come out excellent, really nice and clear. This one is very similar to the one I used on a Moyu London recreation mani I did a while ago. And now let's test one of the full images. And it's also perfect. This is the last plate I have here. This is Arab Passion L003. And these designs are always very popular because they're super pretty. Well, at least I'm a sucker for these kind of designs. But because they have a lot of little details, sometimes it's a little difficult to pick up these images, but that is not the case with this plate. This image with really thin lines came out perfect. This other image that has a bit thicker lines is also perfect. And even this smaller image, it comes out perfect. At this point, I don't doubt the quality of these Born Pretty store plates. They're super pretty images, and although I missed this year's Christmas manis, I am ready for next year. These are just lovely. The other 2 plates, I will definitely be using them in the near future. The images are also really pretty, and this one I'll definitely use for some summer nails. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!